What's up everyone and welcome to another video. So today I want to talk about a potential airdrop by Axelar. Now these guys are a protocol that are going to be on the Cosmos ecosystem and they don't yet have a token. So rumours are going around saying that it's pretty much confirmed that they will have a token in their future, and those people that use their bridge and provide some liquidity are going to be the ones that are going to be qualified for this airdrop. So the first thing you need to do before you start, you actually need to have a wallet that supports the Cosmos ecosystem, and that's going to be the Kepler wallet here. So they do have a Chrome extension and a Brave browser extension, so you need to be using one of those browsers. You need to download that, go through the process of creating a wallet, which is just exactly the same process as if you're using MetaMask or something like that. And then once it's created, you need to make sure that you have the osmosis network selected, because that's one we're going to be using to bridge the funds over to. And so this is the bridge. Now you're going to want to go and choose which blockchain you want to go and send your funds from. Today I'm going to use Polygon, and then you want to make sure you're sending AXL USDC, and we're going to send that to Osmosis. So in order to get AXL USDC, you're going to need to use an exchange. Rango Exchange is a perfect one. You can find AXL USDC on here. So you want to make sure you got your USDC in your wallet. And then you just want to do a simple swap. This is easy enough to find. You just need to type it in on the here. There you go, AXL USDC, and then swap whichever amount you're going to bridge over to Osmosis, and then just do the swap. And then once it's gone through, I'm going to go back onto the bridge here. And now what you want to do is you want to go into your Kepler wallet. You want to copy your Osmosis address. Remember, it's important that you've selected Osmosis, because when you select the different networks, your address actually will change. So you want to make sure the Osmosis is selected. You want to paste that in there and initiate the transfer. Now once it's done the first part, it will then ask you the amount that you want to bridge over. So you want to select that amount, confirm, and then within 15 minutes the transaction will have gone through normally. So we can head over to the last part, which is the Osmosis decentralized app. And then what we can do here is we can do a couple of things again to try and further qualify ourselves for this airdrop. So have a look at the pools that's available. Now one thing I take into notice is be careful when bridging huge amounts of funds for this, because Osmosis's price is just in the last, I'm not really sure how long, I've not looked at the chart, but I can see every time you look at Osmosis, the price is down. Osmosis is getting hit just as hard as the rest of the market is. So I definitely wouldn't be putting big amounts of money in here. I just transferred over $10, for example, and then here's the pools available. So say we do, whilst we've already got USDC, we'll do USDC Osmos. So, and then once that transaction's gone through, as you can see here, and I've got 3 Osmoses, we can go ahead and let's do them in the pools. So I'm going to choose the USDC Osmo pool that I was talking about before, which is the only 2 funds I've got. You can also choose how long to lock it up for, and that will give you different APRs, which are pretty low considering how fast the Osmos token is dropping. So you're going to go add there. You can probably do the maximum Osmos, because then it leaves me a little bit of USD. Add liquidity. So then if you want to go ahead and lock your tokens up, you just want to click start earning here. Now one thing to take into consideration actually is don't put 100% of your Osmosis in there, because then you won't have any to pay the gas fees here to lock your tokens up. So 14 days like that, put your max in, and next you want to choose your validator. And there we have it. So it's earning some APR. With a little small amount like this, we don't really care. And if you've got big amounts of money, then I definitely wouldn't be risking your money in any of these pools anyway. You're simply just doing it in order to qualify yourself for any future airdrops. And so that's pretty much it for today, guys. If you like this video and you want to see more videos just like this, please give a subscribe, and also I'll stick the link to my Discord community in the description of the video below. So thanks for listening as always, and until next time, guys, bye.